Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and this is an update video on a recent video I did restoring a vintage $6 Million Man Bionic transport and repair station. Once that video had gone out, a few people mentioned to me that I had actually missed off one part of the restoration, and that was the microscope that should fit in the top of this section here. Now I have to say I didn't even notice that that part was missing, but looking at the instructions there is a very small tag that says microscope when the setup is in this position, and inside the hole on the top of what is the actual sort of the jet part of the transport station, there should be a small lens. And I found an image showing someone else's repair station set up, and you can actually clearly see that there is a lens in there. So because I wanted this set to be nice and complete, I've had to set about trying to find a replacement for that missing microscope lens. If we take a closer look at the engine pack, you can see there is a section in the middle that's got these sort of four slightly spring-loaded pieces, and from the top you can see there are four little rests on the inside where a piece of plastic should rest when you push it in there, and that is where the lens will sit. So what I've done is I've taken a very careful measurement of the distance between those rests, and it turns out that that is about 28 millimeters. So I went onto eBay and typed in plastic 28 millimeter lens, and lo and behold a few different options turned up. So I've ordered one of those and it has just arrived. In fact, I've got this letter here from the company that I bought it from. This was via eBay, but this is a company called Willett's Amazing Camera Obscura, and I bought this. I think it cost under £2, and you can see in here we have a plastic plano-convex lens. Focal length is 100 millimeters, but the diameter is 28 millimeters, which is exactly what I think we need. So if I open this up, you can see in here we have a little magnifying lens. If I put my hand behind there, you can see it does actually magnify quite nicely, and I'm hoping that this 28 millimeter lens will just sit quite nicely in this hole here. So let's just drop that in and see what happens. Yeah, look at that. That fits absolutely perfectly, and you can clearly see that it is magnifying. If I move it around, you can see Steve Austin in the background there. So I think that will do a very nice job of replacing the missing lens. I've no idea what an original one looks like. I've only ever seen one in that photo that I showed you. So this is my interpretation of what the microscope lens should look like. Let's get this back on the playset and see if it works. Right, so I've rearranged my camera now, and you can see that the microscope does actually work, and we can see Steve Austin through there. So although I have no idea if this is much like the original one, this replacement seems to do a pretty good job, and I'm very happy that it does actually magnify. It probably is a little bit too far away. I think maybe the focal length could be different. I have no idea how good the original one was. It probably didn't magnify at all well. Judging by how poorly the eye in Steve Austin works, I doubt this would have worked particularly well at all. But this does seem to do quite a good job, and for the few pounds it cost me, I think it's quite a good sort of placeholder, if nothing else. So there we go. I think this playset is now fully complete. Thanks to everybody who mentioned the fact that I had missed that part out. Sometimes when doing these restorations there are pieces that I do miss, because a lot of the time this is the first time I'll have been working on the set that I'm given. So yeah, this one, it was something I clearly missed. If you want to get a lens for your own Bionic transport and repair station, make sure you get the 28 millimeter size lens. That is the one that seems to fit perfectly. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.